Hi, this is Bill Feaver and Michelle Trevino and Greg Barragan. We're all here and we are in support of Richard Rios, and we're from Fresno, California. And so I'm going to let Michelle tell her story. She and I are Freedom Rider teachers, so go ahead, Michelle.
Hi, I'm Michelle Trevino. I'm a teacher on special assignment here at the Wordsley School. We're so excited to be supporting Richard Rios in his becoming an author with the Freedom Riders. I am the chair of our Court Schools PTA, which helped purchase the equipment for Richard to do his welding. So I'm very blessed and grateful to be a small part of his putting his puzzle pieces together.
And Greg, you're Richard's teacher. You basically taught him.
I'm his proud welding teacher.
Okay, great. And my story is that I'm also was his English teacher and history teacher when he was still here. And when the Freedom Riders came to ask me to get somebody to be part of this project, we thought of Richard. And the trouble is that Richard is working 6 days a week, out of town, 12 and a half hours a day. So getting him to respond has been very difficult. But I finally got the jewel that was sent to me yesterday. And hopefully we'll help him get his paper written and get done with this part of the book. So that is the rest of our story.